Hi everyone, today we will be checking out the KYY 15.6-inch IPS Full HD Portable Monitor. It is a great accessory for users to bring around during their presentations or business meetings. Today I will explore some of its features, as well as functions it can provide by trying out firsthand to see what it has to offer. The packaging looks really cool and professional with graphics and specifications of the product listed on the exterior of the box. Let's check out what is inside the box. Inside the box, you will find one KYY Portable Monitor, fitted nicely in a KYY branded casing. A user guide is provided so users know how to operate and use the product. A HDMI cable is also included so I can hook up my laptop or gaming device to the monitor during use. A USB-C projection cable is included too. USB-C projection is compatible with smartphones that support USB-C media projection. A USB-C power cable along with a wall power adapter is included, so as to power up the portable monitor. All packed nicely in the product package. On first impressions, the KYY Portable Monitor looks really impressive. It has a huge 15.6-inch display with elegant metal trims on the frame of the display, further accentuating its style and high-end quality. It offers users the look of a tablet device, but functions as a high-quality portable monitor that users can use in a work or gaming setting. At the side of the device, there will be one HDMI port, and two USB-C ports. Each USB-C port has its own function, one for screencasting, and the other for power. It also has a speaker grill in the middle, to allow music and audio to be played out from the casting device. On the other side of the portable monitor, users will find another speaker grill for music and audio to come out, along with a power button, a control wheel and a headphone jack, fitted nicely so people have greater control of the device settings to cater to their needs and wants. It has an ultra-slim body, at just 0.3 inch and 1.7 pounds, this monitor is slim and lightweight, making it easily portable and storage is a breeze. Fits nicely in backpacks for on-the-go meetings. The ports are labeled neatly too. At the back of the monitor, user can find that the ports on each side are labeled clearly as to what function it provides, like the power port will have a battery logo, while the HDMI port has the HDMI label on it. Looks good on the monitor as a whole. The back plate of the monitor is made of aluminum. It has a nice aluminum metallic looks and feel to it. It helps provide a more high quality and stylish look with it. It comes fitted with a handy high quality casing that completes the set. It clips on easily magnetically without any hassle. It has a high quality casing that is scratch proof and waterproof. It makes a stylish casing to accompany my portable monitor. Great. Let's proceed to power it up. Simply connect the power cable to the wall adapter, and get it plugged in. Let's try plugging in a device to screencast it on the portable monitor. In this case I will use my Android device to get it casted to the portable monitor via USB-C cable. As you see, now my phone is casted successfully onto the portable monitor. It will mirror everything on my phone into the large display screen. It works well with DeX too. Just look at my phone entering computer monitor mode where I can use it for work easily with it in desktop mode on the monitor. It scales up my smartphone to become a workable device with a huge display. I can use it to give presentations for work or even present reports for business proposals. Words and texts can be read in vivid detail. Connection is really smooth too. No lag whatsoever. It provides people with a clearer screen for reading documents or proposals with ease. Useful for work. Aside from work, I can use the monitor via HDMI too. It works great for casting laptop screens like what I am doing here, with the monitor as a secondary display. It works well for multitasking along with giving presentations. Colors are equally good as before. The colors are in vivid HD quality. The device works larger screen. Overall, the KYY Portable Monitor works well for me as a secondary display or as a screen enlarger for my smartphone. It is useful for work and gaming. The picture quality is excellent, and it has a built-in speaker so as to play audio with the monitor too. Amazing. If you would like to know more about the KYY Portable Monitor, check out the link in description for more details. Thank you for watching.